The roll seaming process forms the double seam in one operation. The advantage for the customer is a seaming process with a wide range of applications using a simple and easy-to-set operating system. Cantec's roll seaming station can be integrated into every new and many existing Canamat multifunction machines or supplied as a single unit as seen here. The seam is formed at the lower end of the body in order to simplify the infeed of can ends and to improve the accessibility of the seaming tools for can size changeovers and adjustment of the seam. The driven, cam-controlled seaming chuck executes a stroke, during which the end is centered on the seaming chuck while the body is centered on the end. The upper, open end of the body is centered against the upper counter pressure plate and clamped by the spring integrated into this plate. Each upper tool is fitted with a limit ring to prevent deformation of the flange. A joint seaming lever carries both seaming rollers for the first and second seaming operations. This lever alternately turns to the left and to the right to activate both rollers one after the other. In the first seaming operation, the end hook is curled around the can body flange in up to 7 revolutions. The second seaming operation compresses and straightens the double seam in up to 3 revolutions. As a result, this design is more robust and minimizes the number of moving parts. The rolls are made from high-quality PVD-coated tool steel. In special cases, the rolls are made from carbide or ceramic. However, ceramic is only useful for the first operation. During the upward stroke of the seaming chuck and the counter pressure plate, the body is lifted off the chuck by a spring-loaded knockout and passed on to the transfer star wheel. Special attention was paid to simple and intuitive setting of the seaming rollers, so that a user-friendly and easy-to-set solution could be made available. The seaming rollers can be removed and replaced easily and very quickly. The seaming rollers of Cantec solution have a concentric shaft which can be screwed into the seaming lever. In this way, the axial setting of the rollers relative to the edge of the seaming chuck can be adjusted precisely. The radial adjustment of the seaming rollers is another special feature. The seaming rollers are carried by small pushers which can be moved in a linear direction along the seaming lever towards the center of the seaming chuck with the help of a small spindle. The seaming rollers can thus be radially set to the required distance to the seaming chuck. In addition, they can also be adjusted to a new, smaller or larger nominal diameter without changing the seaming lever. When the adjustment has been completed, the setting mechanisms are blocked with the help of clamping screws so that accidental maladjustment becomes impossible. If the same seaming profiles can be used, it's only necessary to exchange the seaming chuck and readjust the seaming rollers. The range of application is for all types of ends and seams in the diameter range from 50 to 99 mm with a production speed of up to 800 cans per minute. For details on end infeed, please see the rail seaming clip